Welcome back to AI Brief, everyone, episode 29. And I'm Amin,
Hi, everyone.
and I'm here with Laya for a deep dive into some of the biggest AI news this week.
It's been a busy one.
He really has. So, Laya, where should we start?
Well, I think OpenAI's announcement of the Stargate Project is a good place to begin. A $500 billion investment in U.S. AI infrastructure, that's not something you see every day.
500 billion. It's hard to even wrap your head around a number like that. This project is being compared to massive historical infrastructure projects, things like the Transcontinental Railroad and the Internet.
Exactly. It
Right.
has the potential to be just as transformative. And you've got major players involved, SoftBank, Oracle. It's a serious undertaking.
And what's even more remarkable is that this is happening so soon after the repeal of Biden's AI safety order. It seems like speed is the priority here.
It definitely signals a shift in focus. And OpenAI's goals are ambitious. Hundreds of thousands of new jobs, cementing U.S. leadership in the field. It's a bold vision.
They've certainly assembled a strong team to achieve those goals. NVIDIA, Microsoft, ARM, these are some of the biggest names in tech.
This project has the potential to reshape the entire AI landscape. How research is done, what products get developed, it's hard to overstate its potential impact.
So moving from one groundbreaking development to another, let's talk about Tencent's Hunyuan 3D 2.0. This open source system has the potential to revolutionize the creation of 3D assets.
It's a two-stage system. First, it generates the basic 3D shape, and then it adds textures. And these aren't just basic textures. We're talking lifelike details, fabric folds, facial expressions, even hair and fur.
The level of realism is incredible. I was particularly impressed by its ability to render hair and fur. That's something that's been a challenge for 3D modeling for a long time.
It's a game changer, especially for fields like game development and film. Imagine being able to create these incredibly detailed assets much faster and more affordably.
And Tencent is emphasizing accessibility too. With their Hunyuan 3D Studio interface, users can sketch a concept, stylize the model, even animate characters. It's a powerful tool for creative professionals.
And as an open source platform, it has the potential to create a whole ecosystem of developers and artists building on and expanding its capabilities.
Now, let's shift our focus to something a little different. Perplexity's new Sonar API. This tool is all about real-time search powered by AI. But what sets it apart is its focus on accuracy and reliability.
We've all seen the headlines about AI models hallucinating, making things up. Sonar takes a different approach. It prioritizes providing citation-backed results, building trust in AI-powered search.
And they offer two versions of the API, Sonar and Sonar Pro. Sonar is designed for speed and affordability, while Sonar Pro provides even more depth with double the citations and larger context windows.
And when it comes to factuality, Sonar consistently outperforms other AI search tools. For businesses looking to integrate AI search into their products, this is a game changer.
From massive infrastructure projects to incredibly specialized tools, it feels like we're seeing the boundaries of AI being pushed further every single week.
And there's one topic that always seems to generate a lot of buzz: AGI, artificial general intelligence. And lately, it seems like the whispers are getting louder, like AGI might be closer than we previously thought.
We even saw a report from Axios about a secret meeting between Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, and government officials. And while Altman has tried to downplay the hype around AGI, he's also been one of the most vocal proponents of its eventual arrival.
It's an interesting position he's in, trying to manage expectations while also acknowledging the possibility of something truly transformative.
Speaking of transformative, the World Economic Forum's recent meeting in Davos was full of AI-related discussions and predictions. What were some of the highlights, Frank?
Well, Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic, hinted at a new feature for their chatbot that would allow for two-way voice conversations, similar to OpenAI's advanced voice mode.
That would be a significant step forward in making AI interactions more natural and intuitive. I remember when OpenAI released Advanced Voice, people were amazed by how human-like it sounded.
Amodei also made a bold prediction, stating that he believes AI could surpass human intelligence by 2027. It's a prediction that's generating a lot of discussion, both excitement and concern.
Another interesting prediction came from Demis Hassabis, the CEO of DeepMind. He expects to see the first clinical trials for AI-designed drugs as early as this year.
That's a huge milestone for AI in healthcare, and it could have a profound impact on the development of new treatments and therapies.
We also saw Mistral, a European AI startup, make headlines by denying rumors of an acquisition by Microsoft. They're planning to go public instead, signaling a growing confidence in the European AI sector.
And closer to home, Goldman Sachs is rolling out a new AI assistant to 10,000 of its employees. It seems like every industry is finding ways to leverage the power of AI.
It's a transformative technology, and it's exciting to see its impact spreading to so many different fields.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole wave of new AI tools hitting the market that have the potential to change the way we work, create, and interact with the world around us.
That's a great point, and that's actually where we're headed next. Stay tuned as we dive into some of the most exciting and innovative AI tools that are making waves right now. We've covered some pretty major developments like,
Yeah.
$500 billion investments and the potential for AGI. But sometimes it's the smaller things, the everyday tools that really make a difference in how we work and live.
Absolutely. And that's what we're diving into now, a selection of trending AI tools that are already making waves. These are tools with the potential to boost your productivity, unlock new creative possibilities, and maybe even change how you approach everyday tasks.
Okay, first up we have Kimi. This is a brand new multimodal model. Multimodal meaning.
Multimodal means Kimi can process and understand both text and images. So you're not limited to just keywords when you're searching for information. You can use a combination of words and pictures.
So like instead of just typing in recipe for chocolate cake, I could also show it a picture of like the specific type of cake I want.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
And it opens up a lot of possibilities, not just for search, but for other applications as well.
Next on our list is Windsurf Waves 2. This is an AI development platform and it's making a lot of noise in the developer community.
Right. Windsurf Wave 2 is all about streamlining the coding process, making it faster and more efficient.
So for developers, this is like having a superpowered assistant helping them write better code faster.
It's packed with features, intelligent code completion, automated testing. It really can make a big difference in a developer's workflow.
Now this next one is for anyone who's ever wanted to create their own digital twin, Jaga AI 2.0.
Jaga AI 2.0 lets you create AI avatars. But these aren't just generic avatars. You can create lifelike and personalized avatars, almost like virtual versions of yourself that can interact with others online.
So it's using AI to create these avatars.
Yes. And it all starts with a text prompt. You describe the avatar you want, and Jaga AI 2.0 brings it to life.
I could see this being popular for like virtual worlds, online gaming, even social media.
It's really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-powered avatar creation.
Speaking of pushing boundaries, let's talk about GID. This tool can turn any information into easy-to-understand video guides.
It's like having your own personal explainer video creator at your fingertips.
So if I need to, say, explain a complex process to someone or create a tutorial, I can use GID to make a quick video.
Exactly. And these videos are designed to be engaging and easy to follow.
That could be really helpful for like businesses, educators, anyone who needs to communicate information clearly and effectively.
Moving on, we have Success AI. This one's for all the business professionals out there, especially anyone working in sales or marketing.
Okay, tell me more.
Success AI is a platform that can supercharge your email outreach. Unlimited email accounts, lead warm-up tools. It's all about helping you get better results from your cold email campaigns.
Cold email can be so tough. Anything that could improve my response rates is definitely worth checking out.
And they have some pretty impressive case studies showing how businesses have used Success AI to significantly increase their sales.
Okay, so we've got Success AI for better emails, and then we have Avoma.
Avoma is an AI-powered meeting assistant. It does it all. Takes notes, transcribes your meetings, provides analytics, even helps with scheduling.
I mean, who hasn't sat through a meeting wishing they had a personal assistant to take notes for them?
And it goes beyond just taking notes. Avoma analyzes your meetings, identifies key topics, and even suggests action items.
So it's like having an AI there to make sure nothing falls through the cracks.
Exactly. It's all about maximizing your meeting productivity.
Now, we've got a few tools here that are all about finding the right information, starting with Ocean.io.
Ocean.io is all about lead data. It helps businesses identify and qualify potential customers so they can focus their sales and marketing efforts more effectively.
So instead of just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks, businesses can use Ocean.io to get really targeted with their outreach.
Exactly. It's about making data-driven decisions and maximizing your sales potential.
Then we have Needle, which helps you find specific information within your company data.
Imagine you have a mountain of company data. Spreadsheets, documents, emails, it's all there, but finding the exact piece of information you need can be a nightmare.
Needle solves that problem. It uses AI to search through all your data and surface the relevant information in seconds.
And it's not just about keywords. You can ask questions in natural language like, what were our sales figures for Q4? And Needle will find the answer.
Very cool. Next, we have poll gen. As the name suggests, it's all about creating polls.
PollGen uses AI to generate poll questions, share those polls, and collect responses.
That could be useful for like market research, social media engagement, even just getting feedback from your team.
It's a quick and easy way to gather insights from your audience.
Moving on to Firecrawl. This is a tool for extracting data from websites.
Web scraping, but made easy.
So instead of having to write complicated code, you can use Firecrawl to extract the data you need using natural language prompts.
It's a game changer for anyone who needs to gather data from the web, whether it's for research, market analysis, or any other purpose.
And last but not least, we have OpenLIT. This one's for the developers out there.
OpenLIT is a tool designed to make LLM programming easier and more efficient.
LLM meaning?
Large language models. The kind of AI models that are behind things like ChatGPT. OpenLIT helps developers manage their prompts, organize their projects, and handle API keys securely.
So it's like a toolbox specifically designed for working with these powerful AI models.
Exactly. It's about simplifying the process and empowering developers to create amazing things with LLMs.
Wow, we've covered a lot of ground here. From multimodal models to AI meeting assistants to web scraping tools, it's clear that AI is making its way into just about every aspect of our lives.
And it's only the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative tools to emerge. Tools that will change the way we work, create, and interact with the world around us.
It's an exciting time to be following this field, that's for sure, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. It's been quite a journey this week, hasn't it? Trillion-dollar investments, game-changing tools, and the ever-present buzz around AGI.
It's clear that AI is rapidly transforming every aspect of our world, from the way we work and create to how we interact with each other and the world around us.
And as we wrap up this episode of AI Brief, we want to leave you with a final thought.
The future of AI is brimming with possibilities. But of course, with any powerful technology, there are potential challenges as well.
And it's up to all of us to engage in these conversations, to consider the implications, both positive and negative, and to help shape the development of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity.
We hope this deep dive has provided you with valuable insights, sparked your curiosity, and inspired you to continue exploring this incredible field.
Remember, this is just a glimpse into the vast and ever-evolving world of AI. There's so much more to discover, and we're excited to be on this journey with you.
So much more, and it's changing so fast, it's hard to believe we're only on episode 29.
I know, right? It feels like we could do a deep dive every single day and still only scratch the surface. But
Yes.
that's what makes it so exciting. There's always something new to learn, something new to explore.
Exactly. And that's why we encourage you to stay engaged, stay curious, and keep learning.
That's it for this episode of AI Brief. Don't forget to follow us so you don't miss out on future episodes.
And if you enjoyed this deep dive, please share it with anyone who might be interested. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going.
Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.